Hello my friends. I found best easy way to earn some real money. I know you searching hustle life as me. You deserves to know an amazing way to make some serious cash. Because once you know an awesome way to make money that actually works, you will be able to grab your dreams.
Well, you've come to the perfect spot.
Because I'm about to teach you how to start making thousands of dollars in pure passive income from the comfort of your own home in just a few seconds. The best part is that it will not cost you anything. This is applicable to everyone, regardless of origin. You only need your phone, laptop, or computer. Now let's get started because this mind-blowing tutorial is about to change your life. Let's get started with step 1. This video will be divided into simple stages that you can simply follow to set up this revenue stream successfully. Before jump into the video, please consider giving it a thumbs up and leaving a comment below. Your feedback helps me improve my content and create more videos that you will enjoy. If you think others would benefit from this video, please share it on your social media platforms as well. Alright, without wasting any time, let's get started. As first step, open your browser and search mangools.com. This website offers user-friendly and affordable SEO tools to improve website rankings, including keyword and backlink analysis and competitor monitoring. It will help your website ranks on Google and how easily people can find it. But don't worry, you don't need a website or any SEO knowledge. Simply follow the steps. After you will understand all the methods. Mangools.com is a powerful tool that'll give you the edge you need to rank higher on Google and break the competition. But the interesting part is you don't need a website or any money to get started. All are totally free. First of all, open mangools.com and check it out for yourself. So let's get this show going. You now understand what Mangoes can do for you.
It's time to sign up.
To get started, just click the Start Free Trial button. Don't afraid they don't ask your credit card details or any payment method. At the top of the page, this will take you to the sign up page where you'll enter your email, create a password, click I'm not a robot, and then hit Create My Mangoes account. You have successfully signed into your Mangoes account. And the dashboard should look similar like this.
So go ahead and sign up for free at mangools.com and create your account.
And now we'll go to step 2.
Let's go back to Mangools. On the right side of the page, you'll see the affiliate section.
You can join their affiliate program and start earning 30% recurring monthly commissions. As an example, if someone signs up through your affiliate link for the best value plan at $44 per month, you'll earn about $13.20 every single month from just one person. And that's pure passive income.
You just have to sitting on chair and drink coffee.
Think if you refer 200 people. That's $2,640 every month. Now, if some people purchase expensive plans, that'll earn you even more money, so keep watching till the end.
And I'll show you how to put your affiliate link to work, how to copy and paste, and how to leverage Google to get as many referrals as possible.
All for free. It's gonna be a blast. Trust me. But for now, let's move on to step 3. Go to the affiliate program in the promo materials section, and that's where you'll find your affiliate link.
This is the door to your passive income.
Every time someone clicks on it and signs up, you'll earn a commission. To get started, click the Copy button to copy your affiliate link, then come to this website called Bitly. Bitly is a link management platform that helps users shorten, share, and track their links, and making it more appealing for people to click. So, paste your link in the box, click Shorten, and copy the shortened version. Grab your affiliate link and shorten it with Bitly. Okay, it's time for step number 4. It's time to start using your shortened affiliate link.
Who needs better SEO rankings and visitors to their website?
The answer is simple. Every single website in the world, and there are billions of them.
But more importantly, who has the money to invest in Mangoes through your affiliate link?
Easy answer is every business with a website, and there are over 1 billion of them, is opportunities for you. All you need is 100 of them to sign up, and you'll be making thousands of dollars every single month. It's not some sort of get-rich-quick scheme, but it will definitely pay off if you put in the time and effort. Now, alright, let's talk about step number 5. Come back to Google.
And think of some businesses that could benefit from Mangools.
It could be a computer shop, coffee shop, jewelry shop, restaurant, mobile shop, or anything that comes to mind.
Try searching for these businesses in small cities or towns. For example, you can search for coffee shops in New York.
You can even randomly pick places on here.
Once you've searched for your term on Google, skip the top 3 websites because they already know how to do SEO.
So they don't need our help. But all the other thousands of businesses below them need your help and are likely willing to invest. Go to their websites and you'll find their contact information at the top or bottom of the page. Offer them your affiliate link and help them improve their SEO.
I can't give you script,
but I will put screenshot. You can pause the video and look what kind of structure what I used. Then send them your affiliate link right away. Or build some trust first and send it after they reply.
Remember, making first signups are harder, but if you pass that level,
and then you'll be earning passive income every single month. All you've got to do is grab your affiliate link and craft a pitch for yourself. Head on over to Google, scour for some potential businesses, and use your script to offer them your link. By helping them improve their website, they'll be grateful, and you'll be raking in the dough. That's the beauty of passive income. More businesses will sign up, and you'll keep making more money. So don't wait. Work harder today and get the benefits tomorrow. See you again in next valuable video.